Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. Our team arrives on time and is always professional. Be sure your unit is ready for the cooler temperatures by visiting our website, callks.com today, and schedule your appointment. It's fast and easy. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today. 205-322-9090, AL certification number 1112.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Thursday, the 25th of January. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather turning wet at times this weekend. After that, a progression of cold fronts will come down this way, turning things colder as we head toward February. Let's discuss. Here's the upper air look this afternoon. Got a northwest low aloft here and a very dry air mass, trough coming into the Pacific coast out west, and also a trough up in the northeastern states. But in terms of sensible weather, things are very quiet here. A very dry air mass. Most of the state clear. It's a visible satellite view. Temperatures again today right where they should be for this time of the year, mostly mid-50s, Birmingham at 56. We'll expect a light freeze tomorrow morning, and then we hit the low 60s tomorrow afternoon. Should feel pretty good then. Around the nation, we're warming up nicely to the west, seeing some 60s across the southern plains. For now, the cold air trapped up in Canada, the really cold air. There's the watch warning map. Got some dry conditions, red flag warnings for parts of the southern plains, and a few winter weather issues out west. The east is quiet. Precipitation for the next 7 days. Big numbers on the upper Pacific coast, and the Gulf Coast looks fairly wet. In our state, rain amounts under 1/2 inch for the north, around 1 inch for the south. And by golly, we could use some rain. Look at this. The drought monitor was released this morning, and all of a sudden you've got a severe drought area showing up that includes Tuscaloosa, the southern part of the Birmingham metro, and Anniston, and also southeast Alabama, down around Dothan and Abbeville and Troy. So we could use a little rain here. We've had a lot of snow here recently, but the liquid equivalent with the snows have not been that great. So we'll take whatever we can get. We don't want to head in that direction. But the good news, the spring is almost here, and that's the wet season, of course, here. Let's take a look at modeling. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid at noon tomorrow. Troughing north and west of here, a dry air mass. Again, the low should be around freezing. The high not too far from 60, and the sky will be sunny. Saturday, as the weekend begins, moisture comes back. A wave forms in the northwestern Gulf. We'll bring in a chance of rain at times on Saturday. Certainly don't think it rains all day, but it could rain at times. The high Saturday, probably upper 50s. The sky will be cloudy. And then Sunday, the surface low deepens south of Apalachicola, and the rain should be more widespread Saturday night into Sunday, at least Sunday morning. And again, rain amounts about 1/2 inch. With the surface low down to the south, there's no issues with severe weather. And the heavier totals will likely be near the Gulf Coast. And then Monday, that system is on by. We turn colder. The model's a bit more aggressive with the cold air advection. Monday looks like a breezy day. The sky partly to mostly sunny with a high around 50. This is Tuesday. We'll be well down in the 20s. In fact, the GFS is showing 23 at Birmingham. The sky will be sunny. These are the anomalies on Tuesday. The high only in the low to mid 40s. In fact, up near the Tennessee border, they might stay in the 30s all day. This is Wednesday, cold and dry. Start the day in the 20s, the high in the low 50s. And a week from today, Thursday, the 1st of February, deep trough developing down across the plain states, a cold front approaching. We'll bring in the chance of showers Thursday afternoon and Thursday night. This is Thursday night, and again, the GFS gives evidence of maybe some brief changeover to snow on the backside, snow flurries or light snow. And then Friday, the 2nd of February, end of next week, just cold and dry. This is the European Friday of next week. It's slower, and it's got no flurries in the backside of this. It's suggesting rain Thursday night, maybe Friday morning, and then turning sharply colder. These are the anomalies for Saturday, the 3rd of February. And again, the greens, that's more than 10 degrees below average. So it looks pretty brisk. Highs mostly in the 40s and lows in the 20s if this verifies for that weekend. This is Sunday, the 4th. Pretty cold look for Canada, and again, that looks cold and dry. And there's a 1,050 millibar high over Montana We'll have to keep an eye on that. That seems to be poised to move down this way. So, again, most likely a progression of cold fronts coming through in early February to make things go colder. And again, these are the ensemble numbers, and out there in the longer range, you don't see much yet in terms of extremely cold air. Got a couple of days with highs in the 40s, but again, don't be shocked if numbers come down at some point into early or mid-February. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes of the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today, 205-322-9090, AL certification number 11120.